Today I'm going to review the SuperNight Mode on the DJI OSMO Action 5 Pro. I am in Niagara Falls, Canada. I want to show you my test results as to how well it performs in real low light situations and how it handles contrast between bright and dark areas. How do you find the settings for the modes? Once you turn on the camera, you can tap the icon here. That would bring up the menu. Or you can press the button on the left side. That will bring up the menu as well. Once you brought up the menu, you can swipe either way to select modes that you want to shoot. The first one with the camera icon, that's photo. The second one is video. The SuperNight icon is the crescent moon. SuperNight Mode is described by some reviews as using AI noise reduction and optimized processing for low light. This is the Skylone Tower of Niagara Falls. It's in this huge crowds, and they are actually the mist rising from the Horseshoe Falls. I am amazed how much light this mode can pull in. Even in dim lit scenes, the image looks bright and detailed. Noise is kept under control, and the color looks natural instead of overly yellow or pale. I will also try to see how it works when I'm taking the night cruise over Niagara River to see the fireworks. The amazing mist you're seeing, the mist from the Grand Horseshoe Falls. I am amazed by the dynamic range in high contrast situations, like when there are bright streetlights or illuminated signs next to dark shadows. The camera keeps both ends of the image in check. It's not perfect, but for a compact action camera, that's pretty impressive. Now let's talk about limitations. SuperNight Mode is a 8-bit only and limited to 30 frames per second, and it disabled several features such as horizon steady, some ultra wide angle options, D-Log. There is one important limitation. In SuperNight Mode, it is not possible to change the focal range. The camera locks focus automatically, so you can't adjust it for close-ups or shallow depths of field shots. My first fireworks test was made in the regular video mode. The ISO was 100 to 800. I was not happy with the result. I feel perhaps the ISO was too low and the overall clip is too dark. This is my second fireworks test. This time I'm using the SuperNight Mode, plus I set the ISO from 100 to 1600. I don't know if you think it works better. Personally, I like it because I can see more color details. On the other hand, they still get overexposed from time to time. Overall, the SuperNight Mode on the DJI OSMO Action 5 Pro does a decent job capturing bright, clean footage in difficult lighting conditions. The dynamic range in high contrast scenes is impressive, and the noise performance is solid. It's a great camera, especially if you don't want to spend time to learn professional color grading. You can basically use the footage just out of the camera. I think it is very useful for nighttime city views, street scenes, or evening adventures, and of course, fireworks. Thanks for watching, and I hope this review helps you get a better sense of what the Action 5 Pro can do after dark.
Wow,